set limits in AutoCAD, simply type LIM for limit and then press enter. Now it will ask you to specify the lower corner. The default is 0, 0, which means here. If you want that, you can press enter to accept that, and then it will ask you for the opposite upper right corner, which will be like a rectangle. The default is 420 by 297, which is A3 size paper. If that is okay for you, press enter. If it is not, let's change the values. You can type 297 and then press the tab key on your keyboard and type 420 and then press enter. But where is the limit? To see that, type DS on your keyboard for drafting settings and then press enter. There is the drafting setting dialog box, or any tool you see here with this arrow, you can click it and click the settings. You will get the same dialog box. Even this one, just come to snap and grid, and under the grid behavior, uncheck display grid beyond limits. Uncheck that and click on OK. Now type Z on your keyboard, press enter and select all to zoom all. You can zoom back a little. Now this is the limit of your drawing. And if you select line, you click here and you click here and press enter. You can see you are drawing outside your limit. How is that possible? That's because the limit is turned off. So type lim again, press enter and select on. Now if you select line, you try to click outside, it will not click. But if you click inside, it will click. Even if you click outside, it will never click. But if you click inside, you can continue drawing your object. To end the command, just press enter. If you want to see the rest of the grid, just come here, click, select settings, come to the snap grid and check display grids beyond limits and click on OK. Now if you ask me, limits are not that relevant anymore in AutoCAD because this space itself is limitless. You can draw the full of United States or even the whole world. Type lim again to turn it off. Select off. If you click line and you click once, point a direction, you can see the values is currently 800. If I want, I can type 1, that's 1000, 10,000, 100, then 1 million, press enter again. And then if I double click on my wheel, you can see I can draw a line of million units. So this space is limitless. Then why do you use limit? It's mostly used in the school just for student practice. Once you're out of school, just leave it there with them and continue your drawing limitless. And if you ask me, I'd rather select a rectangle. I click once and then give a size of 420, press the tab key and give 297 and then press enter. I'd rather draw inside here than to put limits. With that out of the way, don't forget to always save your drawing, click on subscribe and close your AutoCAD.